Okay, so here, the first one I'm going to show you to doing the delta closure test. So this is the last jumper for the transformer. I didn't connect it. I put a voltmeter down there. This voltmeter gave me a reading about 0.13 volts. That's the correct voltage down here. I want to measure close to 0 volts. But if I redo a connection on the transformer, you will see what's going to be this voltmeter read. So instead of I connect the transformer in the right way, I'm going to flip these two jumpers. I change these two jumpers. When I turn the power on, you can see what's this voltmeter reading. This voltmeter now reads 250 volts. It's double my line voltage. So that's what going to tell me one of the transformer connected wrong. So I'm going to flip back to the right connection. So when I flip back to the right connection, the transformer the closure test reads 0 volts. That means the connection is right. I can put the last jumper in. So I took my voltmeter out. I put the jumper in. So that's the delta closure test. I measure the voltage, reads 0 volts. You can take voltmeter out, put the jumper in. Now, for the delta connected load, I also want to do certain kind of measurement. I connect my load in delta, but before I put the load into the bank, I want to measure the resistance. I have 15 ohm each, 3 load connected in delta. So if I measure any of the 2 terminals, I should get a measurement about 10 ohm. So I measure between line A and the line B is 10 ohm. Line A and the line C is also 10 ohm. And the line B and the line C is also 10 ohm. So when I have 3 equal reading at the 10 ohm, my delta load is connected right. Now I can put my load into the circuit. I'm going to put in this meter to measure the phase voltage on the load. So I'm going to turn the power on. When the power is on, I did the calculation. Secondary phase voltage is going to be 120 volts. So this meter is reading 120 volts for my load voltage, phase voltage. Now I'm going to use this meter to measure my secondary line voltage, 120 volts. Now I'm going to measure the primary line voltage is 240 volts. Across each transformer, I measure primary phase voltage, 240 volts, secondary phase voltage, 120 volts. So now I'm going to use clamp-on ammeter to measure the current. So first, I'm going to measure the phase current. It's 8 amps on the low. I'm going to measure the line current. It's 13.9 amps on the low. Now I'm going to measure my transformer phase current. It's 8 amps. Now I'm going to measure the primary phase current. It's a 4.4 amps. I can measure across different transformer. It will be the same 4.4 amps. Now I'm going to measure the primary line current, 7.5 amps, and 7.6 amps. So this is a delta to delta transformer bank in the lab. And if you have any question, you can connect us online or send us emails.